Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be making use of this satin fabric to make a statement headband or scrunchie headband, and I also have other materials that I'll be making use of at the course of this project, so keep watching. So guys, I've actually gone ahead to fold the fabric into two, and then I'm marking the length that I actually want. I'm making use of 40 inches, so I'll go ahead and mark the 40 inches there. And then the width I'm making use of is 10 inches, so on fold is 5 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark 5 inches all the way to the other end. So after marking, the next thing is to go ahead and cut out everything and following the marked lines. So after cutting, this is actually what I have. It's actually the main piece that I'll be making use of. So the next piece I'll be cutting is going to be for an elastic band. So I'll be needing 15 inches long and 4 inches wide. So I'll go ahead and mark the 4 inches wide all the way to the other side. So when I'm done, I'll also mark 15 inches. I'll measure 15 inches and then mark it down, and then I'll go ahead and cut out everything. So this very piece is going to be an elastic casing that I'll be feeding elastic band in, and then the next piece I'm going to cut is the lining that will be feeding in the main piece. So I'll go ahead and cut 3 inches wide and then also 15 inches long. I'll mark it over there and then cut out everything. So guys, this is the lining piece over here, and then I also have the elastic casing and then the main piece that will be forming the scrunchie. So for the sewing, I'll go ahead and fold the elastic casing with the right sides facing each other. I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew about half an inch, and then I'll be repeating the same process with the elastic casing as well. So guys, after sewing the half an inch, this is what I have. I will go ahead and flip it over to the right side. I will turn it inside out just the same way you see. So after turning it over to the right side, this is how it looks like. So you see that the stitch part is in the middle, and I also went ahead to do the same thing to the elastic casing as well. So what I'm going to do next is to be fixing the lining inside the main piece. So I'll hold it with my safety pin just the same way you see, and then I'll carefully feed it in. So before I continue feeding it in, I'll make sure I hold the end, place it in the middle just the same way you see, and then I'll hold it for half an inch. And after holding it, I'll continue feeding it to pass it through to the other side. And I'm done taking it to this other side. I'll remove the safety pin and also hold it with my sewing machine. I'll hold it in the middle just the same way you see. And I'm done holding the both sides, and this is how it looks like. So I'll drop this aside and then work on the elastic casing. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting an elastic band of about 7 inches. I'll measure it and then go ahead and cut the 7 inches. And then I'll also hold it with my safety pin and then carefully feed it inside the elastic casing with the stitched part in the middle just the same way you see. And I also take it to my sewing machine to hold this end so that it doesn't escape inside the casing. So when I'm actually done, I'll also take this one out and then hold the other side as well. So this is what I have after I was done holding the two sides. So I'll go ahead and bring the first piece, and then I'll be sewing the elastic casing on the main piece. So the side that is actually having a stitch part is going to be facing down, and then the smooth sides are going to be facing each other. And I will use my chalk and then mark the midpoint of the main piece so that I'll be able to place the elastic casing in the middle. I'll carefully place it in the middle just the same way you see, like that, and then I'll take one side of it to cross it over to the elastic casing, and then I'll be flipping the other side as well to cover it up, and then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew about half an inch. So guys, I'm actually done sewing from one side, and then I'll be repeating the same process from this other side as well. I'll mark the midpoint and then carefully take the elastic casing with the smooth sides facing each other, place it in the middle, and then I'll flip the main piece to cover it and then flip the other side. Take it to my sewing machine, and then I'll be sewing with multiple stitches about half an inch so that it doesn't lose. So guys, I'm done sewing the two sides, and this is how it looks like. So I'll carefully take it in just the same way you see in this video. So you see that the rough part is now in, it's not even visible anymore. I'll do the same thing to this other side. So you see that how it's covered, the outside is neat and then the inside is also neat. The rough part is actually inside and covered as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share it to anyone you know the video will be of help to. So this is the end result of the scrunchie or statement headband. Please comment down below if you'll be trying this for yourself. It's very fast and easy to do as well. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.